The market is crashing and I am smiling. I'm like a vulture on a wire waiting for the streets to run red because I have prepared myself for these kinds of crashes, and I know a whole bunch of the other cowboys in the saloon have been preparing because we've been calling it. We've been saying, guys, prepare, get ready right here because there are flash crashes, corrections, consolidations that are always coming. The green sticks, they have to stop at some time. And look, these other stock boys or people who are investing in other stocks or whatever, they're not used to these things, right? They freak out with like 3% corrections, 3%, 4% drops. Not crypto, not the crypto guys, because it's like 30% drop, 35. Just another day in crypto. Welcome to crypto. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you here. My name is Aaron. I am on my journey to 2 Bitcoin while helping as many people to their first. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you like stuff like this, or join the saloon if you want to keep talking with a whole bunch of other cowboys and roll with me and the cowboys of crypto. Now, this is exciting, right? Because I love it when I'm sitting on a pile of cash and I'm just waiting for the right moment. I think this is it. I mean, it could go down lower, but I'm excited about this. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 things that we can like kind of learn from these flash crashes and how to prepare words are hard. Better prepare ourselves. So let's get right into the market. Bitcoin is down 9% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 13%. Cardano 15. Like it's pretty much everything. Solana is really the only darling baby right now, up 5% in the last 24 hours. But even still, if give it 2 days, it's kind of a little bit down there. And so everything, I'm like licking my chops because this is so good. And here's the first lesson. Okay, here's the first lesson. When we start to see, I'm just going to take Cardano as the example because I've been talking a lot about Cardano. Cardano in the last 7 days have been just killing it. It's sitting at like $3. It broke $3 at one point. Everyone's happy. $2.90, $2.80. And I've been telling everyone in the saloon, anyone who is on the lives, anywhere, take profit. We must take profit. If it gets to an all-time high, we're taking 10%. We're taking 20%. We're not greedy, okay? So when it hit $3, I was like, oh baby, let's take 10%. And it could have gone higher, sure. But anytime it hits those like levels of all-time highs, the downturn, the consolidation is right around the corner. And I don't know if it's huge or not, but you know, I like to sit on USD or USDT or USDC. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. This is not ever financial advice. I should have said that in the beginning. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm just going to pass it along to you. And so what ended up happening is I just kind of sat and if you sit on USDC, on stablecoin, you're waiting for something like this to happen. And this was amazing. This is just absolutely amazing. So now I took 10% up top here, and now I could buy back in down on the red sticks, on the red bars. So, which is always good. And so that is the first example. You have to always, in my opinion, I have to always wanting to be taking profit. I'm into, Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum. Look, Ethereum was reaching like $4,000. Okay, 4,000. Look, it's $3,900. I took profit right around 37, 38, right around here, and I see it just and I'm like a vulture, just wait, I'm like on a wire, just wait. And so, and I mean, like, I didn't realize it crashed this far down. That's kind of incredible. Whoever bought that dip was awesome. But I'll be buying around, right around now. Like I'm comfortable with this buy. You could see people buying around here. So I'm just super ecstatic about all this. This is just amazing. So if you were in the saloon and you were talking with everybody, I was saying take profit at the top. Take profit on these smaller coins like Ping and Market Move. Take profit because these things are right around the corner. Everyone gets so excited. You got to just take a little bit, 10%, 20%. That's all I'm talking about. And now we are ready to make those buys. And this is why, because we want to see those kinds of corrections and these crashes, and we want to buy it up. And now you're just making that much more on your crypto. And then we buy again, and then we sell again when it comes to those highs, and that's how we keep building our portfolio. This is how I earned my first Bitcoin. The strategies like this, and hopefully you can do the same. Now, that's the first thing. The second bit of news is that stuff like these exchanges like Coinbase and crypto.com, they're freezing people out of their accounts so they can't sell or anything like that. And that's so crazy. I don't know why they do that. And I hate it, right? I don't like being in control of my money. I don't like feeling like, and that's what you give up. In a centralized exchange, CEX, you are giving up your rights to your crypto. You're using the convenience and you're giving up your rights. This is why, in my opinion, this is lesson number 2. Start getting into DeFi. People were texting me, hey, Aaron, did you know that they locked us out? They locked us out. Well, yeah, of course. Robinhood does the same thing. These guys, all centralized exchanges, I don't trust any of them. It's my money. I trust me. Okay? So head into a decentralized finance. Okay? This is like Uniswap. It's like PancakeSwap. This is like SushiSwap, where you're trading with just protocols with computers, right? And they can't lock you out for that. So that's the second lesson, is as much as possible, start trading on DeFi platforms, on these swaps. Get off of these centralized exchanges, because if it's not your keys, it's not your coin. And so you want to keep your coins. You want to be able to manage them whenever you want. I personally, that's what I like. If you want to stay on it, what do I know? I'm a loser brain, whatever, you know what I mean? You could do you. That's your own money. Now, another thing here, what to do with these red sticks, okay? What do we do with red days like this? Here's what you do. You got one of 2 options. One, you start buying like I am. You just save up a little store of value because you took profit at the top. Not because you were saving money from your job, not because you work an extra side hustle, although you can do that too. But because you were smart and you're prudent and you're wise and you took money at all-time highs, you took 10%, 20% at the top. Now you have cash to sit on, and now you could buy these dips, these wonderful dips. And so one thing you can do right now in these kind of days, buy, okay? Buy. If you don't have money to buy, if you didn't do that, if you didn't take any profit, the second thing you do, go outside and take a walk. Go work out. Go take up a hobby. Go knitting class. Anything but sell, okay? Do not, let me make myself big on this. Do not sell, okay? You don't sell when things dip. Okay, cowboys don't sell when things dip. We eat dips, okay? We don't give it away. It's mine. Okay? You do not sell. Sit, relax. The market will come back. Go take a walk. Take 5 minutes. Take a breather. Right? Go play some video games. That's even better. Don't sell. And that's where I'm at. I mean, hopefully this has been a helpful video because these crashes start to jostle you, especially if you're brand new to the crypto market and you're not used to these things. And maybe you just invested like on all these all-time highs, which is very likely. A lot of people have just been starting to come into the markets, and so they're just starting. They buy at these all-time highs because it's so exciting, and then flash crash and they get hit. Relax, okay? Put the phone down. Stop looking at it. Stop. Just listen to my voice. Listen to the sweet sounds of my supple voice and say, it's going to be okay. You're going to be fine. You've got a 10-year time frame, okay? It was just a few days. This won't last for a long time. Will the bear market come? Yes. I don't think it's coming now, but hey, what the heck do I know? You must just stay the course, okay? You have a 10-year time frame. That's all you and me have the same. That's how we're dealing with this, okay? So, and just if you want any extra comfort, hedge funds were buying in last week at all-time highs. So this week they are down. So if you're not alone. You're not the only one. You're not alone. Don't try to outtrade the markets. Just stop and breathe. Okay, it's gonna be all good. Head into the saloon, start talking with a bunch of the cowboys, and head into the headquarters, cowboysofcrypto.com. Sign up to be an official cowboy. There's tons of free giveaways and all that kind of stuff, and I'm in there in the forums and all that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.